Seychelles 303. This is Sean and Alice, Bay Real experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida, and we are on the very top of the parking structure here.
Floor.
Yeah, very top, all the way, all the way up to the third floor. But the reason that's so cool, you guys, is you can walk straight to your unit off the parking structure. So let's say you're parked right over there. You can just walk straight in through this.
And look at there.
This bridge here.
Is right there.
Hey, yeah. So if you're hungry or thirsty, pop over to Schooners.
Hey, that's one of the best things about this building, because when you wake up in the morning, you go downstairs, you have breakfast, one of the best Bloody Marys that you can find here in town. And then
I don't even know how they can make it and not go broke. All right, I'm gonna pause this so we can resume once we get inside the unit, you guys. Well, we're practically here, so let me just show you the front door and then I'll pause it while we open it up. So here we are, Seychelles 303. So I popped straight out to the balcony because Alice is inside turning on lights. And the guests that were here, they just checked out. So the room is a little bit of a mess. But I know this is what you guys really want to see anyways. You can see all the way down to the west end from here. And check out the pools beneath us. You got beach access right there.
that's absolutely the best view. I love the third floor of this building for all those amazing reasons.
All right, let's take a look at the balcony here and then we'll pop on inside.
So like Sean said, excuse the little mess. People just check out and they haven't had a chance to come in and clean up and get ready for the next group of people. But I love that you have LVP throughout the floor. Furniture, nice. You can close this up, it's smaller. Got a washer and dryer.
Oh, okay. Might have to go over there after I'm done looking at the kitchen.
I turned this off. A mistake.
What do we have right here to your left?
And then you have your air conditioner and water heater right here, some storage.
Okay. Cool, cool.
Right?
Peace.
Let's see if I can turn the light on over here.
All right. So we have one bathroom here.
There you go.
And then behind us here.
Nice set of bunk beds over here in the hallway. You found your owner's closet here. I like how they did the work, the woodwork on the walls.
Oh yeah, check that out. Right as you walk in.
There's
that's a beautiful,
always
beautiful detail.
nice feature.
And then you have your bedroom. So there is your entrance to your primary bathroom.
Shiplap everywhere. I love it.
Me too.
It's a nice finish.
She even did the ceiling.
Yeah, it's a great way to keep it clean and nice and tidy.
Right on. All right, you guys. Right before we wrap this up, of course, as always, I'm going to ask you if you like watching these condo tours, please give us a thumbs up, a share, and a subscribe. And Alice, who do we want to say thank you to?
Thank you to Wes Warren with
Sotheby's.
For allowing us to make a video of his unit. It's fantastic deal.
And if you guys want to check it out in person, we would love to show it to you. I'm going to leave Alice's contact information below. And if you guys got property you want to buy or sell in Panama City Beach, we're your sweethearts of real estate. Give us a call. See you on the next one. Bye for now.
Bye for now.